The South African Broadcasting Corporation (SABC) has suspended senior political journalist Natasha Phiri after testimony at the Matlang Commission of Inquiry linked her to an alleged exchange of money for information. During proceedings on Monday, Police Sergeant Fanny Nkosi told the commission he paid Phiri 500 rands after she provided him with contact details for controversial entertainment blogger Musa Khawula. Nkosi had previously denied making any payment, but later conceded under questioning that money had changed hands. In response, the SABC confirmed it had taken precautionary action and said the SABC views this matter in a serious light. Ms. Natasha Phiri has been placed on precautionary suspension while investigations are underway. The development adds to mounting scrutiny over journalistic ethics and conduct within the public broadcaster. Meanwhile, the African National Congress has pushed back against claims that it interfered in the SABC's editorial decisions following reports that the political talk show Face the Nation has been cancelled. According to Weekend reports, senior SABC executives allegedly pulled the show after complaints from the presidency and the ANC figures who were reportedly unhappy with the line of questioning by host Clement Manyetsela. However, ANC spokesperson Mahlengi Bhengu dismissed the allegations outright and said the ANC categorically rejects these claims as baseless and without any factual foundation. Reiterating the party's long-standing support for media freedom, she added that while press freedom remains a cornerstone of South Africa's democracy, it must be accompanied by a commitment to accuracy, fairness and ethical reporting. Bhengu also called on the SABC to improve transparency around its editorial decision-making process. The twin controversies, one involving alleged misconduct by a journalist and another raising questions about political influence, underscore ongoing tensions around credibility, independence and accountability within South Africa's public broadcaster.
But now that you have seen it, do you accept that you paid Natasha 500 rand?
No, I accept it.
And do you accept that 500 was, in your words at the top of 1344, a token of appreciation for giving you Musa Khawula's number?
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.